Hey guys, welcome back to another studio vlog. Hope you guys are all doing well. If you're new to my channel, then welcome. My name is Julie and my channel is based on me building my Jtru design business on Etsy. I make party decorations and gifts for people, and I also make videos on how to make party decorations. So feel free to check all those videos out. So in this video, you'll get to see what I get up to through the day, how I do my orders and package them, and all the other stuff that comes along with it. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you in a moment. I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. I would really appreciate it if you could hit the like button down below, just so that my channel can reach out to more people and get more engagement. Thank you so much, guys. So my customer also ordered another style of cake topper for Liam, so I'm just going to do it now and package them all together and show you that in a moment. So this was the other one I made for Liam, and I'm just going to package them all together and get them sent out. So I had a few questions on how I use my Cricut machine and the type of cardstock I use. Sometimes when you guys are trying to cut something out, it doesn't cut straight through the cardstock. So let me give you some tips now. So I tend to use this light grip cutting mat because I don't like it when it's too sticky, and when you try to lift it off, the cardstock rips. So light cardstock is the best one for me. It might be different for you, but the only bad thing is that it loses the stickiness pretty quickly. But I don't mind that because I rely on this masking tape. masking tape, you just tape it around the edge of the cardstock where you've cut it out, and it should help hold the cardstock down. This is a great tip, so try it out. And with this glitter cardstock, it's about 250 to 280 GSM, and the setting I use is poster board, or the one just after poster board on the dial, which I'll insert a clip, and that should double cut the letterings or whatever shapes you're doing. It works best for me, I don't know about you, and it also comes down to the blade you use, because sometimes when you've used the blade so much it is no longer sharp, so remember to check the blade. So the 3 things to remember is check your Cricut mat if it's sticky enough, and the type of cardstock you use, and also the blade, and also the setting on the Cricut machine. So remember these 4 things and I think you'd be good to go. Oh, and one more thing as well. For the lighter cardstock that I use to make banners and little shapes for my greeting cards, I use the light cardstock, or sometimes I use the border fabric to cut out my shapes, but generally it's the light cardstock I use, and it just cuts the shape out once and it should be fine. So those are the little tips I have for you guys. Hopefully that is helpful, and as usual, if you have any more questions, just leave it down in the comments down below and I'm happy to answer them for you. So right here I am creating a new Christmas cake topper, and I had this idea in mind and I'm just illustrating it right now. If you guys are interested in how I do this, then I do have a video on it. Just click on the top right hand corner and you should be able to watch it. So last week I mentioned to you guys that I wanted to show you some of my old Halloween cake toppers and decorations. So here it is. I've got this cup full of cupcake toppers, but I'm only going to show you the Halloween ones. So you see this little fella here? I really enjoyed making this one, but for some reason I've not sold one. So it's just one of those things, isn't it? You know, when you're so happy with your end product, but no one ends up buying it. I mean, that's just a reality sometimes, because you know, you work so hard for something but then it just doesn't plan out. So it is what it is, but I've still relisted it for this year. But I do love this little one here. Right, next we have these guys, the pumpkins. They're so cute, and again, I haven't sold any yet, but that's okay. You know, I know that one day somebody will. Sometimes I think, oh, is it because of the way I've priced them? Maybe it's too expensive, but I tend to price things according to what I think they're worth. So sometimes it's good to put a discount on it, but I don't want to put the price so low that it's not really worth my time. Which one do you guys like, the purple one or the copper one? And next we have these bats here. These ones have sold and I'm really pleased about that. Yeah, just simple bats really. And then you have this crow that sells through the year, not just for Halloween, whoever's celebrating. And likes the crows, or you call them raven. Maybe some of you guys call them raven. And then you've got this fella here, the skull. And again, I've not sold one yet, but that's okay. Just showing you guys what it looks like, and I'm really happy with it as well. So hopefully maybe this year I'll sell one. Oh, and also the word boo. Yeah. Are you guys celebrating Halloween this year? Like, what are you planning to do? Have you created anything for Halloween? Let me know in the comments down below. So next we have a bunch of cake toppers I've made and accumulated over time. One day I think I'll show you all of them, but for now I'll just show you the Halloween ones. So, I don't know if you guys can see properly, but this was one of the first Halloween cake topper I made. It's got a little mouse there and 2 cats, and yeah, these ones have sold before, and hopefully I'll sell more this year again. And I love this one. What do you guys think? And this one, Happy Halloween. And yeah, again, I've put the skull face just by the side with a little spider. And I don't think I've sold this one yet, but it is what it is. Right, next we have this Halloween banner that I made, and I really like it. I don't know what you guys think, but yeah, I've not sold one yet, but that's okay. You know, someone out there will like it. I'm sure we'll buy it. And what do you guys think? Do you think people want Halloween banners or not, or they're not really that bothered? Or it's more about dressing up and looking scary, doing trick or treats? I don't know. Here's a little close up. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed watching some of those things that I've shown you. I do have more Halloween stuff, but I think I don't have them here right now. So yeah, see you guys in a moment. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching it. And before I go, just to let you know that I am currently on 282 Etsy listings. So yes, slowly going up as usual. And if you have any questions for me, then please leave it in the comments down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.